When seeking computer help in Lehigh Acres, Florida, avoid these common mistakes. Don't hire without researching the company or technician. Avoid choosing solely based on price. Don't ignore customer reviews. Fourth, always ask for a detailed quote. Inquire about service warranties. To avoid these pitfalls, start by researching online reviews and asking for referrals. Consider the value of the service, not just the cost. Read testimonials on the company's website or third-party sites. Request a written estimate and ensure there's a warranty on the work provided. Here are some frequently asked questions about Lehigh Acres Computer Help. How quickly can issues be fixed? Technicians aim for same-day service. Do they offer on-site repairs? Yes, both on-site and remote services are available. What problems can they solve? They handle hardware, software, and virus issues. Are technicians certified? Yes, they are highly trained. Is there a warranty? Yes, all repairs come with a warranty. Can they help with data recovery? Absolutely. Do they offer maintenance services? Yes, maintenance plans are available. Need help setting up a new computer? They can assist with that too. To schedule an appointment, call 239-421-8187 today.